So I was driving down the road, my ABS light on, and service traction control came on, and service StabiliTrak came on. So I'm gonna have to hook my scanner up to see what's causing this issue. I mean, it happened as soon as I hit a bump. So I'm gonna let you know what the results are. So I hooked up my scanner to my vehicle to get the information back about what was stored inside the system. The scanner I use is this blue driver scanning tool. Basically just hook it up to your car vehicle and it connects to the app on your phone. And when I opened up the app, it gave me information about what was causing the problem. This is what it gave me. Basically, it's saying my right rear speed sensor circuit is malfunctioning. You know, it even gives you the option of seeing on Amazon the exact sensor for your vehicle for you to look up and order. So I've already ordered my part. This is what came in. Basically, it sent me two for the rear. I'll show you just one. And this is it. This connects right into the back wheel. This plugs in the circuit. I have changed one of these before, and I can say that on the Yukon, it's very hard to get this piece loose, even with your trim tool, because it's such a tight area. So usually what I would do is, instead of me trying to pull this whole piece out, I would usually disconnect these. Like there's a little clip here. You can push this off. This one's hard-headed, but I can usually flip this off easier on the vehicle and just leave that in, and I'll take the new one and just pop this one in place instead. I found that to be easier rather than trying to get my trim tool and pop this piece off. Sometimes it be in there so hard. If it's in there real hard, I'll just pop that off and then attach this to the existing. But now I just got to work on getting my wheel off, taking this bolt out and pulling out this whole piece and putting this piece in. So now let me work on that. So I got my passenger side rear wheel off, and that's where the sensor is located, in the very back. Right there. And I believe that's a T25 head you need to use to get that out. But then it goes all the way around, back and around, all the way back there. And that's the difficult part, because it's hard to get this piece to detach from the frame. I mean, it is like right behind this piece. There's not enough room to get your hand back here. And I try to use my little tool to pop it out, but it's difficult. I can use, or I can get on this side and detach the plug that's going into it, but it's just hard for me to get it out from the frame, which is why I was showing you how I can detach it from that clip instead and pull it out, and then just slide the new one into that same clip. It's just easier for me. I mean, it might be different for you unless you got another method, but that's the easier method for me. So let me get all this detached and I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done. Take your time with this sensor. It could be in there real good. I'm slowly backing it out. I'm just saying, be easy with it. So I got everything reconnected. I have to tell you, getting this part back in is a little difficult. I put oil around it, I still couldn't go. I really had to use a mallet just to slightly tap it back in to get it back in place. So just a FYI, it's a little hard to push the new one back in. It's because of that ring. You know, try to get a lot of oil around that ring that's on this part. But as far as this piece, it was easy. I just detached it and put this one back in place. I was easily able to pop that one out. Now, again, that one back there, I could not get the piece out. Like I was saying before, I had to detach it from the bottom. And then I took the new one and slided it in place for that location. I could not get it out the frame. I just don't have enough space to pop the other one out of the frame. So like I said before, it's easier for me just to detach that clip that's holding in place and attach the other one on it like I showed before. But everything's reconnected. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.